Are you planning to move your company's sensitive, high-value data center, servers, server racks, or other IT technology equipment but don't know who to call? At www.servermovers.com, we only move server equipment and have done so for 25 years. We pride ourselves on being professional, agile, proactive, and responsive. Integrity and customer service are treasured values within our organization. Our team of dedicated IT professionals understand the numerous challenges to be overcome when moving data centers, servers, server racks, and other technology equipment. Our services and solutions can be customized to your individual needs and requirements. So let the professionals at Server Movers take the stress off you and out of your moving project. Move small or large, local or national. Server Movers has the knowledge and experience to provide you with solutions like de- and re-racking, packing, secure private transport, and loading and unloading of your server equipment. Stop waiting. Give us a call on 877-817-2537 or find us at www.servermovers.com and see the Server Movers difference today. Contact now for free estimates and consultations.